You've spent hours on the beat and recorded your best verse, but when you play it back, it still sounds like a demo. The problem isn't your talent, it's your process. Welcome back to XMP Artist Academy. Today, we're bridging the gap between home recordings and industry standard hits. We're exposing why your songs don't sound professional yet. Professional sound isn't about one expensive piece of gear. It's about a series of correct decisions made from the arrangement to the final master. Let's look at the first culprit. Point 1. The arrangement jumble. Amateur songs often have too many things happening at once. When every instrument is fighting for attention, the listener's ear has nowhere to land. Real studio insight. Professional producers use subtraction. If an instrument isn't supporting the vocal, it's gone. You need clear sonic real estate for your voice to lead. Point 2. Frequency masking. This happens when the beat and the vocals live in the same sonic space. If your snare and your voice are both hitting at 2 kHz, they will sound muddy. Real studio insight. Professionals use EQ to carve out a hole in the beat for the vocal. We don't just turn the volume up, we make room for the voice to exist clearly in the mix. Point 3. Dynamic inconsistency. In amateur recordings, some words are too loud and others are too quiet. This makes the vocal feel like it's sitting on top of the beat instead of inside it. Real studio insight. Professionals use serial compression to level out the performance. This glues the vocal to the instrumental, giving it that consistent, powerful radio feel. Point 4. Performance energy. You can't mix passion into a track. Many artists record safe takes, but professional records are built on raw, undeniable emotion. Real studio insight. The mic captures your intention. If you aren't physically engaged in the booth, the recording will sound flat and unconvincing. You have to sell the story. Point 5. Poor signal-to-noise ratio. Recording with a computer fan or air conditioner in the background adds a layer of fuzz that ruins the professional sheen of your record. Real studio insight. Silence the room before you record. A clean signal is the difference between a track that sounds expensive and one that sounds like it was made in a bedroom. Here are your actionable steps. First, simplify your arrangement. Mute any instrument that isn't essential. Second, use a high-pass filter on your vocals to clear the mud. Third, record with more energy than you think you need. Fourth, listen to your mix on multiple systems, your car, your phone, and your monitors, to ensure it translates. In summary, control your space, carve out frequencies for your voice, manage your dynamics, and bring the energy. This is how you escape demo sound. If you focus on these professional fundamentals, your music will immediately start sounding like it belongs on the radio. Keep crafting and never settle for average. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for more masterclasses. Improve your sound, improve your career. I'll see you in video 9.